Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Accessing your Outlook email from another computer is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. The most direct method is using a web browser on any desktop or laptop. First, open your preferred browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and navigate to the official Outlook website at outlook.com. Look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. Enter your full email address and click Next to provide your password. Once you are logged in, you will have complete access to your inbox, sent folder, and calendar. If the computer you are using already has the Outlook desktop application installed, you can add your account there as well. Open the application and go to the File menu to select the Add Account option. Type your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Security is very important when using a computer that is not your own. Always make sure to log out of your account completely before leaving the station. Using a private or incognito window is a great way to ensure the browser does not save your login information or history. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep your smartphone nearby to approve the login request. This extra step keeps your personal messages safe from unauthorized access. If you happen to forget your password while away from home, use the reset link on the login screen to regain access through your backup email or phone number. Following these easy steps ensures you stay connected to your work and personal messages from anywhere in the world.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.